What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing shrimp fried rice. So sit back, relax and enjoy this video, and I hope to see you on the other end. Thank you. Today we're going to be doing a quick and easy simple fried rice, shrimp fried rice. So let's get right into the video. Here we have our shrimp already seasoned from overnight. So we're gonna go in and add it to our hot oil. So this is on medium, guys, and we're gonna make sure that we do our shrimp properly. Yes, this is just something, a go-to fried rice for my household. You need something quick and easy and simple. Just grab yourself a bag of shrimp and some rice, your spices and herbs and everything, and you're good to go. So here we have our shrimp going. So here, guys, we're gonna be squeezing a little bit of lemon juice to our shrimp. Shrimp, lemon, both is a good combination to cut away the rawness, or yeah. So I'm gonna stir that in. This is practically ready. And guys, I have some videos of shrimp to show you how I season my shrimp. You can check the links in the description box. So now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna saute my veggies. So here I'm adding a tablespoon of butter. So my stove is on medium. So once my butter is melted, I'm gonna go in and add my vegetables. So yes, guys, here we have some chopped onion. So I'm using a small onion, and here we have some scallion, the green onion. We have some hot pepper, our garlic. We're going in with some bell pepper. So I'm using the red, the yellow, the orange, and the green bell pepper. So now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna make sure I saute my vegetables well. Yes, guys, if you could just smell the aroma up in here. Yes. Yes, guys, I'm excited. When I'm cooking, I'm really excited. I'm super excited. This is my safe place, my kitchen. So yes, guys, just take your time, lock in all those spices and herbs and all those deliciousness. So now that saute, I'm gonna be putting it aside. You know how we do it. Yes. So I'm making sure I put everything on one side because I'm gonna go in with my egg. Yes, guys. So I'm gonna be scrambling my egg right there. Yep. Scramble, 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 scramble. Oh, sorry. It's just this old time cartoon pop in my head when I sing that thing. Thunder, thunder, thundercat. Yes. So now that I'm scrambling my egg, so I'm using one egg, guys. I'm not making a lot of fried rice, shrimp fried rice, so I'm just using one egg. So now I'm gonna combine the egg and the veggies together, and now I'm gonna be adding my thyme leaf. That I don't cook without my thyme, honestly speaking. It just gives your food this flavor. And then now I'm gonna go in with half cup of mixed vegetables. Yes, all those colors, guys. Yes, I love to see colors in my food. It just gives you that vibe. You know, a lot of people eat with their eyes. Yes. So I'm gonna make sure I lock in everything, stir everything in, all the spices and everything. Now I add my rice. Yes. Ooh, love. I could just eat this without the shrimp added to it because I'm allergic to shrimp. So I don't, yeah. but I still prepare it, you know. So this is my quick and easy shrimp fried rice, something quick and easy for dinner. So you can grab yourself some rice, veggie, your mixed vegetables, your egg, your butter, and a pack of shrimp, and you get a nice meal. So here I'm going to be adding some soy sauce, and then I'm gonna go in with my shrimp. Yum, yum, yummy to my tummy. This smells so good. So you're gonna lock everything in: the rice, the veggies, the egg, your saute vegetables, and your shrimp. And yes guys, that's it. This is the perfect shrimp fried rice, Paul's Island Kitchen style of fried rice, shrimp fried rice. So guys, I do hope you enjoy this quick and easy shrimp fried rice. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Live good, love God, walk good, and I will see you guys next time. And I do hope you enjoy my presentation. And to all my new subscribers, welcome to Paul's Island Kitchen. And to all my old subscribers, one love and bless you.